The Fab 4's Bronco skid plate is made for the ultimate off-road adventurer. It offers protection like no other, and it's manufactured right in South Carolina. Paired with other Fab 4's products, this skid plate adds an aggressive look, making our Bronco into the beast it was made to be. It has a modular design so that it can work with the OEM bumpers, but it looks best with a Fab 4's bumper like this matrix bumper here. With the Fab 4's two-stage matte black powder coat finish, this piece will add that rugged appearance you've been dreaming about since being put on the waiting list to get your wild Bronco. This skid plate is ideal for those of you who like to get out on the trail, go rock crawling, and it even protects the undercarriage of your Bronco from curbs at the mall. The Fab 4 skid plate is constructed with 3/16 gauge US steel and built to take a hit so that you can get over rocks, branches, and more. This skid plate offers superior protection in an aggressive style. If you are interested in purchasing the Fab 4's Bronco skid plate or looking to have one installed, check out the store locator in the description below. And subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.